Hello all, in this lab, I'm going to demonstrate how to send SMS by using AWS Simple Notification Service. Now go to your AWS Management Console, go to Services and type SNS, that is a Simple Notification Service. Go to that and there are multiple ways to create a Simple Notification Service. And if you go to subscription, okay, so inside the subscription, while creating a subscription, so if I want to push all my notifications for the specific protocol, like I can use the email and I can use the SMS, and I can also use the SQS and the Lambda function and HTTP, various options I can choose it. For the quick demo, I can demonstrate that how to test that. Okay, so you can click on the left panel and there you can find that the text messages, and here you can push the text notifications. So for that, you click on the text messages and insert this message, and you can use type of the message, whether it is a promotional or a transactional messages. And based on that, you can type the mobile number here. And always keep in mind, so when you are sending a notification, always you need to use the country code here. So because AWS Simple Notification Service and this SMS gateway, which supports more than 200 plus countries, you can specify the country code and followed by the mobile number, and you can specify the message, which message you want to send it. So you can say this is sample message from tech hub. So here, if you put more than 160 characters, then it will treat it as a multiple messages. And a sender ID, you can specify it as an optional. This is not mandatory here. And once you click on push notification, so this notification, we can see it on the mobile. Let's open my mobile device. So here I'm sharing my mobile device and go to the mirroring. Yeah, here is my mobile device, and here after sending the notification, what I can do, so you can go to the messages, and here you can find the message on the first part. Okay, so here if you see that this is a sample message from the tech app. So this is how we can send the notification by using AWS simple notification service. And this is also we can integrate with the various services like a Lambda and SQS and various other services. So thank you so much for watching this video.